feast day of Saint Joseph Vaz, the patron of Archdiocese. We all rejoice, and I take this occasion to wish everyone a truly joyful and grace-filled feast day of Saint Joseph Vaz. May his exemplary life inspire us to be enthusiastic about witnessing to our faith in our day-to-day life, especially in the joyful, humble, and selfless service of our brothers and sisters, especially those who are poor, underprivileged, and live on the peripheries of our society. I wish all of you a joyful feast day.
मनीसपणाचो संदेश जो फेस्ताच्या मिसाक दिल्लो बिशपान आपले सरमावन म्हाका दिसता तो मनीसपणाचो संदेश हो गोंयकारपणाचो संदेश. एक गोंयचो एकलोच आनी एकूच सांत ज्याचे आज फेस्त जाला मनयला, त्या फेस्ताच्या निमतान हांव सगळ्या गोंयकारांक एक बरी परब आवडटा. मागता की आयज बरो दीस, एक की आमचे आयचे दिसा गोंयची अस्मिता म्हणटा ती राखली. ओपिनियन पोल डे एंड ऑल्सो द डे वेन वॉज ओनली सेंट हिज feast is celebrated. So I think it is a dual occasion where we have to rededicate ourselves to preserving our identity, which is unique, and also taking forward the message of Goa's only saint, the message of integral humanism. मनीसपण म्हणटा ती मेसेज आमी दिली. म्हाका दिसता ती मेसेज फुडें व्हरप हें चड गरजेचें.